Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Ayurveda Udhar. Hello friends, today we are discussing about Chyawanprash. Chyawanprash is very beneficial for a weak person. Consumption of this Chyawanprash is beneficial for children, old age people, impairment of sexual intercourse, entropy and heart patient etc. From this, coughing, breathing, thirst, chest tightness, gout, cholelithiasis, stomatitis, and diuresis problems are destroyed. This increased brain strength gives energy in sex and men become devoid of old age. In ancient time, Chavan Rishi had grown young after eating it, so it was named Chyawanprash. This Chyawanprash strengthens the lungs, strengthens the heart, greatly benefits in chronic cough and asthma. It brings diarrhea clean. It is very beneficial in acidity, semen disorder and eliminates insomnia. Beneficial in forced semen and intelligence. Increases children's limbs. Lean and weak children become strong and fat and also increases their weight. The best Chyawanprash is a deep red, fragrant, sweet and sweet amla sour. It is full of in taste. Chyawanprash is not just a medicine for the sick but also good for healthy humans. Older people use it more than young people. By doing this, their stomach is clean and feels hungry. Some people believe that Chyawanprash should be consumed in the winter season, but this is the whole province. It can be consumed in all the season. It not does too hot in summer because its substance is amla, which is a cold in nature. The fresh fruit of amla is used to soothe thirst and open the urine. It also consumes in blood pressure, blood piles, nasal eruption, bleeding urination diseases. Use of Chyawanprash to avoid heat in summer season is very good to do. It's used to remove the weakness of old patients or patients after getting sick. Not eating food at the right times creating sore, belching, burning sensation, symptoms like feeling of phlegm in the mouth, thirst, nausea, etc. In this there is a lot of benefit in the morning by consuming Chyawanprash and post of meal. In this there is a lot of benefit of consuming Chyawanprash in morning and after the meal. It also has a great effect on the lungs, means cough, breathe. It is very beneficial in urticaria. It also has an effect on the heart and hepatic institute. It cures heartbeat, heart disorders, obstructing blood circulation, not having proper blood circulation, etc. It is very beneficial to take 2 to 3 spoons Chyawanprash with a glass of milk or water in the morning, afternoon and night. Chyawanprash is available in Vaidnath, Davar, Patanjali, Chandu, etc. which you can order from your nearest Ayurvedic medical or any online medium. Friends, if you like our video, then please click the like button and subscribe to our channel.